man, I'm so excited. Check it out. That's a coffee cup. There's a t-shirt. This is the back. I'm gonna have someone model this t-shirt momentarily. Several people asked me when I was going to have merchandise available. I really don't want to go into the warehouse shipping business. So I just happened upon a website that's called Teespring, and that's actually able to integrate with YouTube at 10,000 subscribers. But right now I've got several different product lines that I've done. I've got a couple of different types of t-shirt layouts, and of course the mug, and you can order some stickers on there as well. And the link will be in the description down below. And as soon as my assistant gets here, we'll do a better modeling of the t-shirt for y'all and let you see it. My assistant has arrived. She's actually been here a while. She's been working with the Ratty Pack, and she's going to model the new attire. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Sarah.
Hello, I'm Sarah Singler. I'm the owner of Wholehearted Canine. So I train dogs. It's a lot of fun. All sorts of fun stuff with them, positive training methods, and yeah. So
let's see the back. There we go. Check that out. Awesome. All right, so how can they find you online?
WholeheartedCanine.com.
All right. Go check out WholeheartedCanine.com. Now we've talked about the DudeRv merchandise. Give you a little update on the upcoming mini series. This past weekend we took a trip down to Fredericksburg, Texas. I paid a visit to Meridian State Park, and the city of Hyco has a RV park right on the Bosque River. I did some interesting stuff, and that's what's going to be coming up over the next that's what's coming up in the next mini series of videos. But before the end of the year, I've got 7 state parks lined up. Some cool stuff coming down. Stay tuned. Click on the subscribe button. If you're interested in the merchandise, there's a link down in the description to the Teespring website where you can find the DudeRv and Bob Barker merchandise. I appreciate y'all watching. All right, this video is kind of been wandering around. We got the Teespring info. That link's down in the description. I appreciate that. Wholehearted Canine and my model for the Teespring t-shirt. A little recap on what I got coming up, but right now I'm getting ready to eat me some bratwurst. It is pouring down rain again, but I'm gonna go out in the rain and I'm gonna cook the brat that really sealed the deal for me. This is the brat that I bought from Wentzel Lone Star Meat a long time ago. That is just, I just love it. It's the best brat I've ever had. So I'm gonna go out here and get on this Green Mountain pellet grill, my favorite cooking utensil ever, and cook up these brats in the rain. I'll let you check them out before I dig into them. Stay tuned. It's raining again. Man, I feel like I'm in the Northwest. So we're cooking some corn on the cob. Once that's well and thoroughly cooked, I'm gonna switch that over to the smoker. And we got some brats, baby. Doing a cold smoke on those right now, waiting on it to come up. They're just hanging out in the rain. Man. Sucks. Tired of the rain. Oh man, we are looking good now. Had these smoking for about half an hour, maybe 45 minutes now, so we got some good smoke going, good smoke flavor. About ready to turn up the temp. Kind of waiting on the corn on the cob to be ready to shuck. I'm gonna move the corn on the cob over here onto this one from the gas grill. We'll give it a little bit longer. We'll get the corn on the cob over here. There we go. So this cod for Yappy in this one. Mixed veggies in there. So we're getting close to shucking time. Oh yeah, everything getting soft. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shuck these and transfer it. I'm gonna shuck the corn and transfer it over to the pellet grill on I guess you'd call it a boat, a butter boat. Anyway, I'll show you a picture. Yeah, man, look at that corn. Yes, sir. We'll keep rotating the corn and the butter. With the smoke. Brats are coming along good. We're at 165. We're gonna bring that up to about 250 degrees. We're just about done, man. And that's good because the weather seems to be going south fast. The brats are looking sweet. Check that out. Kind of got that golden brown look to them. Yep. Indeed, Bob. It's gonna be good tonight. All right, there we go. There's the finished product. There's those beautiful brats. Mixed veggies and roasted corn on the cob. Green Mountain Grill, baby. Green Mountain Grill and Wentzel's Lone Star Meat. Man, what a winning combination. Hey, if you've enjoyed what I've done, do that thumbs up thing. If you thought it could use some improvement, well, you can do the thumbs down. Give me a comment if you do that. Most important, click on the subscribe and the bell. There's a bell down there. Click on that bell. That way you don't ever miss another episode of DudeRv. Got some good meat coming up. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear? Y'all come back now, you hear?